Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to reconcile Bluevine statements in your accounting software. Alright, it's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time on this topic. 2 minutes max. Just going to show you guys how to match your Bluevine statements with your bookkeeping records. Let's get into it. Now, the first step is to log into your Bluevine account and download your monthly bank statements in PDF or CSV format. Now open your accounting software, could be QuickBooks, Xero, or FreshBooks, and then go to the reconciliation or banking section. There you want to select your Bluevine account from the list of connected accounts. Now enter the statement's ending balance and date from your Bluevine statements. Match transactions one by one, check off deposits, withdrawals, and transfers that appear in both Bluevine and your accounting software. If there are any discrepancies, investigate. Look for missing entries, duplicates, or incorrect categorization. Once all transactions match, mark the reconciliation as complete. And that's it. You successfully reconciled your Bluevine statement in your accounting software. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.